Hello guys, animated switch widget. How to make use this? So first of all, click on the description link to install and copy the button. This dependency. Go to the terminal and paste it here, and then enter. Add the dependency automatically. Pubspec.yml file. You can see the display, and then pub.get. You can see the dependency will added by terminal. You can click this link and direct you can go to this dependency page and copy it here and paste the terminal. So I will create a new dart file. Name is animated switch. Import the material package. Then create a stateless class and name is same as dart file animated switch. Return the scaffold. And in the app bar first I will add the title text, switch style, text style color is white, background color is set blue, then body part I will use a center widget. In the body you can add same as the center widget your body, and then child type light rolling switch, and then import the package and use it easy. This all light rolling switch widget required fields. First of all I will add the value is a true. Close the all. On press on change is here, and text off, text on and text off. This is a text switch off to show text off text, and then colors, color on and color off you can set easily. Then icon on, I can set icon light bulb, and icon off I will use a power switch, power icon like Cupertino icon power. Import the library and easy to use a value boolean. Okay, so this is error because the required field I can remove it. So add all required fields and then remove error automatically. Null. Add 3 required fields and it is a blank, and future you will use a future in your project, so you can add some like values. Go to main.dart and animated switch class, run it. Sometimes later output will be display. You can see my output is a display. Check the output. Very best animated switch. Icon, colors and text. You can change text easily. The text style is I will found. This is not is here. Okay, so on change error I can solve it. Click on the switch. The switch is work perfectly. Off, on. This is like animated Okay, other properties. First of all, I can change this text small to capital. You can add and your text easy to set on off. The on text is I can change the text on colors. Yes, it is here. I can set this color is white, on color is white. Text on color you can set the color and see the display. Easy to add text size, etc. All this property is very easy. Center title is true and all is complete. You can add this switch, animated switch in your project. Thank you for watching this video.